Hello everyone. Do you also find difficulties to learn something? Is there any subject which is tough for you? And you also don't know how to learn something? If yes, this video for you. The learning something is really hard concept because everyone wants to learn something, but nobody wants to learn how to learn something. Yes, it sounds bizarre, but most of people don't know that how to learn tough subjects. Therefore, today I brought an outstanding course that is Learning How to Learn. This course is Learning How to Learn, in which you would improve your learning capacity and you would develop your learning skills which would help you to learn something new. Furthermore, this 4 weeks course is provided by the Coursera.com. This is one of the most famous websites which provides us online learning. Before doing any course, a question certainly comes in our mind, that is, what would you learn through this course? Hence, in this course, you would learn how brain works while learning something and understanding of memory. Furthermore, you will get several ideas to improve your learning capacity in any age. One of them is diffuse and focused mode. I know you are so excited to know it. For this, you have to join this course and you have to complete this course as well. A very special thing is that you would also find a few tools as well, like Pomodoro. This is used to make focus and manage your time properly. And last not the least, how to solve issues of procrastination. Let's talk about additional details about the course. First of all, this course is completely online. You can get easily access of this course through the mobile and laptop. Secondly, this course is completely free. You don't need to pay for completing this course. If you really want the certificate, that time you have to pay only, and you will get your online teachers and experts who will teach you. And this course is being provided by the McMaster University and the University of California. The most prominent factor is language. Even though videos are in English, you can easily find subtitles in many languages. It means it doesn't matter what language you know. In my opinion, this course is magnificent for you. Knowing how we can learn effectively is a life skill. Everyone needs, no matter where we are in life. I would highly recommend this course for you because I have also done this course. I got lots of techniques and ideas to improve my learning capacity and to become a smart learner. Way of teaching this course is really enjoyable and entertaining. If you also want to learn, what are you waiting for? Please join this course and learn how to learn something.